How to check previous Discord servers that you've joined. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can find out about all of the previous list of your Discord servers that you joined. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to know what kind of service that you joined previously, then in this case what you need to do is first open up your Discord and make sure that you're logged in. And if you remember the server, you can always find that particular server by tapping on this plus icon and join a server. You can search for the server's name, or if someone has sent you or texted you the server's link, you can search it via that as well. But let's say if you don't remember your server, in that case, what you can do is request your data to the Discord's um, support team, and they will send out all of your previous data, which also includes this previous servers that you've joined. And to do that, you head over to the U icon at the bottom right corner, and then from here, tap on the gear icon, then head over to data and privacy. Now, once you have done that, you will see this receive your data section. Tap on request all of my data. And as you can see, it may take up to 30 days to collect all of your data. Usually it does not take that long. It's usually up to a day or maybe just a few hours. It will send you an email with a zip file containing all of your data. So just tap on request my data and you will get the zipped file which you can access, and it will have a list of all of your previous servers that you joined. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.